Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this time I'll be showing you guys how to download FNFC's location for free. So eventually, if you look at the Play Store and search for FNFC's location, like what I'm doing right now, I just downloaded it anyway. So for you can have a payment here. You have to pay for it so you can have it. So anyways, I'm gonna teach you guys how to download it for free. So first, go to Google and then search for Aptoide, and then click this first one in there, the first one you see there. Just click it and it will just load, and just install Aptoide. After you install Aptoide, you're gonna go open that app and then search for this location. There we go. Now, as you can see, you don't see it in there. Just scroll down a little bit, and then you will see it in here. So anyways, don't click the one with the 1 month ago. Click the 4 days ago one, because eventually the FNFC's location just released a few days ago, not months ago. So anyways, you're gonna install this and be sure to guard it, because you need to you know it's kinda like sometimes error. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Okay, see you guys.